Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some new hearing aids. Let's take a look at everything that you get and then I'm going to show you how to use them. They come in this cute little box and you get some cleaning tools and additional ear molds, and that is going to keep them in your ears. You get a charging cord and the charging case. Look how tiny this is. I absolutely love it. Super clear sound on these, zero whistling. I have one in. Look at that. So tiny, you can almost not see it. So when you get them and you open up your case, you must take off this little green sticker. And then when you put it in the case, you can see it is automatically charging. The little blue lights there tell you how much charge is on your case. So you don't have to have this plugged in to be charging all of the time. You can take the case with you and charge as long as your case is fully charged. So it takes 2 hours to fully charge the hearing aids, and you get 24 hours of use. So if you just have this with you, you can charge your hearing aids and get 72 hours of wear just by charging them in this little case. It's so amazing, great for travel. They are really easy to put in. So you're just going to take it, pop it in and push, and it automatically turns on when you put it in your ear. It is so easy. The controls are great. It comes with this little manual, keep this. So super easy to use, and it tells you right here when you put them in, they turn on. But if you want to turn them off, there is a little control right there. You are going to long press that and it will turn off. You can also long press that for a different amount of time. It's in your manual and they will turn back on. While they are in your ear, you can short press that universal button and adjust the volume. As you adjust the volume, you hear a little beep so that you know everything is changing. Then here's the beautiful part. You have 2 modes and it lists right here how to adjust the mode. Mode 1 is quiet mode, and that is for when you are in your house. And then mode 2 is noise reduction mode, and that mode is for when you are in a louder environment like in a restaurant and you don't want to hear all the background noise. And to do that, you're going to hold that universal button for 3 seconds and then it will beep for you. It will beep 1 time for the quiet area mode, and then it'll beep 2 times, meaning that you're going to get that louder environment noise reduction mode. The sound on these is incredible. I love these for traveling. Even if you have hearing aids that you've gotten from an audiologist, which is great, you should always go and have your hearing tested. What is nice about these are great for travel. And then if you lose your other hearing aids, you're not going to be as upset. Or this is a great backup for if your hearing aids run out of battery and need to be charged while you are out and about. So lightweight, they fit so well, and the convenience of having your charging case with you at all times, and you can see when it's in the case, the blue light lights up to tell you it's charging, and I do love how thoughtful the clear top is to know it's charging as well. Plus you have the indicator lights on the front telling you the amount of charge. Easy to charge in the back. I cannot say enough great things about this. This set is absolutely incredible. You're going to want to check it out. All of the links are below.